Welcome back to another video. So in this video I will show you how to download VS Code. So you can do any development on VS Code. It can be either HTML, CSS, JavaScript, C++, any of languages you want. So I will show you how to download it. To download VS Code, you can choose any of the platform. It can be either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. So I will go to Google Chrome. Here it's the official Visual Studio Code website where you can download Visual Studio. As I have Windows operating machine, so I will go for this option. And don't worry, I will share you the link in the description below, so you can head over easily. So I will just go for Windows option, and as you can see, the downloading has been started here, and once it's been complete I will show you how it would work. So as you can see, the download has been completed. I will just double click on it, and I will accept the agreement. I will clear the desktop icon, and then I will install. But as you have already seen that I have Visual Studio Code already on my PC, so I will not install it. By just clicking this install button, it would install it and open Visual Studio Code. So let's hover to uh, Visual Studio Code. So after downloading, it would be like this, and here you can open any file that you want to open, or any folder. So I will just show you an example. Here I can open c the C++ profile folder, and in this folder I have written a simple code of adding two number no, or dividing two numbers. So that's how you can easily open any file, and here you can search anything. These are the repository. If you want to go in it, you can go, but I wouldn't recommend if you are a beginner. And here you can download any extensions you want. So for this I have downloaded this C++, and that's it. That's the installation for VS Code. Thank you, and see you in next video.